welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today's video is in a part of a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful sister here on YouTube, and that is Sule from My Style, My Colors, and it is the Spring Coffee Table Decor Challenge. And in this collaboration, all she asked us to do was to use some florals and a light source, and we are to create two different tablescapes. So this is my first look. I decided to branch outside the box and use a pop of color. And I had these purple tulips and these purple lilacs, and I thought they would go perfect with my roses that I love to use in all of my other decor. I think it is a very nice spring look. I love this pop of color. It's very muted, not too bright, which is great and perfect for me. They are in a vase that is a lilac. I don't know if you can see, but it has a purple tint to it. Very pretty, and that is another reason I decided to use these purple florals. I'm experimenting, decided to branch out a little bit in color and see if there's anything else that I might like. I hope you are enjoying my little foray into the different colors outside of my normal colors. I also have this little bird's nest that I picked up from Pier 1 several years ago. I think it's so cute and brings in the perfect pop of spring for Easter. And I have this candle holder that my daughter gave me for Christmas one year, and that is my light source. As you can see, it is a candle that has been well loved. Very, very great scent. I think it was crisp morning or something like that. So yeah, I love how this look came together. This is my first look. Now on to my second look. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on these colors. I'd love to hear. All right, guys, here is my second look. This is more my style, more glam, modern, elegant. This style is featuring the Rose Forever bouquet that was sent to me. I think it is very elegant. I love it. It is so my style. The black velvet with the pure white roses. I am loving it. I have paired it with an item that I DIY'd. This is a candle holder from Bath and Body Works. We all have them, and what do you do with them once your candle has burned and the jar is empty? Well, if you're like me, you clean it out, polish it up, and stick a totally dazzled brooch on it to make it a glam candle holder. So you could put more candle wax in it, make your own candles, or you could use it as a canister to store items. So that is what I'm using it for, and I love it. I was able to repurpose an item that I would otherwise have thrown away, and I made it pretty by adding the totally dazzled little bow, which I showed you in a video a couple of days ago, I believe. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the iCards above, as well as a link for the playlist if you want to learn more about my Rose Forever roses. I also have this little DIY bunny that I painted black, and I think this is a modern glam spring tablescape. So, which one did you like the best? The one with the vibrant pops of purple and white, or this one with a more modern aesthetic, modern and elegant. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you like best. So I would like to thank Sule for hosting this spring coffee table challenge. I will leave a link for Sule's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist for all of the participants. If you are new here, welcome. If it is your first time viewing my video, I hope you like what you saw. And if so, and you are not already subscribed, I hope you hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. We do lots of DIYs on shopping hauls and just home decorating. Love to do tablescapes, so if that is something up your alley, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.